dancing drums. Let's do it. Here we go.
Dancing drums explosion.
Yeah, you gotta explode it at the end, folks. Turn the volume up.
It's a 1 cent.
It's a 1 center?
Yeah.
Okay.
You want that yellow drum to get the upgrade.
I'll take any drums. I'll take 3 regular drums.
Oh yeah. Take anything. Do it. Oh. Yeah, there it is. That yellow drum.
Let's do it. Here we go.
There's the pot.
Well, that pot's gonna blow up, folks.
I'm just hoping you close the pot so you can get a short.
Yeah. Hit it up. Maybe your finger is luckier.
Have you met me this trip? I don't think anything about me is lucky. $18.
Yeah, not bad. Still want them drums. I really want them drums.
Close that pot.
Yeah. Oh, see. Almost, folks. Almost.
Ooh, that pot just built up more.
Oh. Man, that was so close, folks. So close.
Oh.
All we need is 3 drums right here. We can do it.
Or food dogs all the way across. Take that too.
Yeah. Oh, one more flower. Money tree or whatever.
I wish our money tree at home looked like that money tree.
Yeah, I know.
The pretty colors. Oh,
Yes.
close the pot.
Let's bake some cake. The old mini, folks. Here we go.
Oh my goodness. You knew it was going to be the mini.
Oh, yeah. You know what's funny? I've never hit as much as he's played the machines.
I hit a major.
Oh, you did?
Yeah. When Chris and Lou were here.
For how much though?
1,600. It was a double. No bonus ready.
Let's make some cash. Mini monster.
Not Mini Monster.
Oh, he's on the
Kept you alive, though. Maybe it'll hit the bonus on the lower bet. Oh, that would have been great if you closed the pot again.
We should release that video right now. That short. Just see what happens.
No. All right, what do you want to do?
I don't know, babe. What are you thinking?
You want to put in one more 100?
You thinking
Or
it?
do you want to be done?
Nah, we'll do one more.
You want to?
I guess. I mean, you said it, now I have to. We gotta do one more 100, folks. I'm running out of cash.
Look at him
That's what I got left.
counting your money.
Oh, it's a no.
Ooh,
Little
almost
vibration.
ate it. Almost ate it.
I feel like Marshall just sat on our scene.
God, that drum sound.
I'm not enjoying drums, folks. This is gonna be an hour video, so I'm not leaving. I'm not leaving. So Daddy's hitting it.
Maybe like really lower the bet. Oh, that was a good bet. For what you were betting.
$9. Let's make some cash, folks. We gotta get those drums, man.
What was that?
We gotta get those drums.
God.
Now it's like a personal problem. It's a personal issue now. I have to get them.
They don't ever feel like a slot machine is against you.
This is insane. Insane the membrane, my friend. You know what? Daddy's putting 500 in. We're betting 10 rapid fires. That's what I really want to do. But my wallet says no.
Here.
I want to put that. Good God. I'm going to sell my Honda Civic. I know. You know, the funny thing is, I still drive my little Honda Civic, but it's paid for, which is awesome.
Yeah, why not?
I refuse to get a new car, which I can, but they're a bad investment. So I'd rather just pump money in a machine. How does that make sense? Because the Civic doesn't give me enjoyment. I mean, maybe a new Porsche would, right? I'm
Maybe a
not
new
gonna
what?
buy a Porsche. Always want a Porsche.
I don't think that's in the budget, babe.
No, a used one. I want to be like Moody, Hank Moody.
Oh my God.
Okay,
Oh.
here we go, folks.
Oh man. That was
Look at that.
upsetting. Upsetting.
Look at that.
I
One
know.
drum. What's 5 drums give?
I don't know how much it pays out.
Huge.
Go. I feel like it's right there. That's a slot machine for you, though, huh? Oh, you got the monitor!
I'll bet you 100 I get a mini. You owe me 100.
Oh my gosh. Oh shoot, it was up there the whole time. I didn't even have it on the...
Baby, that thumbnail on that, you want to win 100? That was great. Okay, we have a lot of swipe videos now. That's for the next 5 months, right? Because we do one once a month.
Once a month? I release 3 a week.
No, I'm talking about the swipes that we do.
Come on, bonus. Just ask your manager what your schedule is.
Well, yes, ma'am.
Kept us alive.
Won't give us the drums, though.
Just wasn't the time.
Switch goes. Okay, that just triggered me. It does that. Seek and destroy. Come on. Where's your luck? The last time we went to Council Oak. My wife said, "I'll be back in 30 minutes." She comes back with $7,000.
We went to the spa.
Oh yeah, it was the spa. Yeah, it was.
And I was like, I'll be there in 30 minutes. I'm just gonna play this new machine that's here.
I thought it was Council Oak.
And I won $6,000. All right. Close the pot again. Hold on.
I want the minor, not the mini. Here we go.
Oh my God.
Yes! That's how you call it, folks.
You actually got what you asked for.
Well, I want to ask for the grand.
Why did you say
Because it wasn't going to be the grand. That would have been awesome, right? Dude, that would have been... Could you imagine
You
if
asked
I
for
said,
it,
let's
and
do
you
the
got
grand?
it.
Could you imagine if I said, let's do the grand? And
Yeah, and then you got the grand. Take you on the road.
Take me on the road, buds. I'm just doing...
Kept you alive. Oh, that was good. 24 bucks.
Any that would have been huge.
Oh.
That would have been at least 200, 250. That would have been huge. Anywhere. Oh man, the food dogs are the best thing you can get. Look at that, folks. Okay.
Oh. Cool.
Go. Folks.
What a tease.
It's a rooster tease, folks.
All right. Don't be sad.
I love it,
be
y'all.
sad.
You know what? Next machine, we're gonna win some money, man. We're gonna win some money.